Have you ever experienced frustrating lag, dropped connections, or struggled to join games with friends while playing on your Xbox, even when your internet seems fine? These common issues can really dampen the fun of online gaming. The good news is that yes, optimizing your network address translation, or NAT, type to an open status can often significantly fix many Xbox connection issues. Achieving an open NAT allows your Xbox console to communicate more freely with other players and game servers, which is crucial for a smooth online experience. NAT is essentially how your router manages traffic between your local network and the internet. Think of it like a bouncer at a club deciding who gets in and out. There are 3 main NAT types: open, moderate, and strict. An open NAT acts like a wide open door, allowing your Xbox to establish direct connections easily. A moderate NAT is like a semi-open door, permitting connections but with some restrictions, which can lead to limited multiplayer interactions or party chat problems. A strict NAT is the most restrictive, like a locked door with a tiny peephole, often preventing direct communication with many players and causing frequent disconnections. This is why having a more open NAT type directly improves your console's ability to communicate in real time, reducing latency and making matchmaking much more reliable. To achieve an open NAT type, you typically need to adjust settings within your home router. Common methods include enabling Universal Plug and Play, or UPnP, port forwarding specific ports that Xbox Live uses, or placing your Xbox in a DMZ, which stands for Demilitarized Zone. These steps help your router understand that your Xbox needs unrestricted access for online gaming. Remember, while setting these up, always refer to your router's specific instructions or consult its manufacturer's support to ensure you are making the correct changes. Understanding and managing your NAT type is a vital, often overlooked, aspect of maximizing your online gaming performance. For games that relying heavily on peer-to-peer connections, such as many fighting games or older multiplayer titles, an open NAT can be the difference between a seamless match and an unplayable lag fest. It also significantly improves the stability and clarity of party chat, ensuring clear communication with your teammates. Ultimately, moving from a strict or moderate NAT to an open NAT type is a proactive step that can dramatically enhance your Xbox online experience. It means fewer interruptions, faster matchmaking, and a more consistent connection with your friends and other players, letting you dive deeper into the immersive world of online gaming without the usual technical frustrations.